Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to locate your API key within ChatGPT. To begin, navigate to platform.openai.com and press Enter. You will be prompted to sign into your account. I am choosing to log in via Google. If you have recently accessed your account, you might not need to re-enter your password. Once you are logged in, head over to your profile icon in the corner. From the drop-down menu, select the option labeled View API Keys. Here, you can see all your existing secret keys. To generate a fresh one, simply click the Create New Secret Key button. A new key will appear on your screen immediately. Make sure to copy this key right away using the Copy button. Remember, this is the only time the full key will be displayed, so store it in a secure location. After saving it, click OK. You will now see your keys listed. If you need to remove any, just click the trash icon, then select Revoke Key, and confirm by clicking the red button. That is the complete process. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.